Okay, so in this video I will unbox a Bigme Hibreak Pro Color. This is the fastest e-ink phone in the world. And it will be very interesting to try this, and then later on, after I have been using it, I will do a review with it and so on. But in this video I will unbox it and do a first look of it, and maybe eventually a first start also. So let's start by going to my table cam. So let's remove this plastic. I'm very excited to try this. Very cool. It will be interesting to see how good it is and using it together with the Bigme B7 I have, for example, a really great tablet from Bigme, e-ink tablet. Here we see a color white, and it's awesome in white with a red button. Awesome. 8 GB RAM, 256 GB of storage. And it's a full phone. You can call with it, you can message with it, you can use NFC, you can have Google Wallet, Google Auto and everything on it. It's exactly as a phone, but with a color e-ink display instead. So that is why I think this is so exciting. Here is the phone itself. We take that later on. And here we have some instructions and a quick guide. We have a SIM card tray removal. And we have a charging cable. Let's see. Here we have the SIM tray removal tool, and here we have the cable itself. Oh, USB type A to USB C. Okay, that's what's in the box. I don't think there is any else in this box. Nope. So no case in the box, so eventually that case is mounted on the phone, because I have seen other people got a case in the box. But we will see that soon. So now we see the phone itself. Here we have the gorgeous looking white version of the Bigme Hibreak Pro Color. Awesome color, I think. This is really nice to see. And I love having a white e-reader, so this is very cool to have. And yes, it has a case on it, a clear case mounted, as you see. Let's remove that. Easy to remove, so that's good. We have the case here, very light and very thin, but probably good to protect the Bigme Hibreak Pro Color. So now we have removed everything, and no plastic to remove from the display. We have this sticker. I hate this sticker, so I will remove that immediately. I think that is very ugly. So I'll remove that. I can put it on this, like so. And as you see, we have the two programmable buttons on the sides, that you can have 3 different functions on every button. We have speaker, a mono speaker, USB-C port. We have the SIM card tray, 5G or 4G compatible. Works even here in Sweden. And we have the power button, and that has also a touch ID function for your fingerprint, a fingerprint sensor. And we have volume buttons and page turn buttons. And on the top we have a microphone and an IR blaster that you can program. You can use this instead of a remote control. So let's start it for the first time. By the way, we have a speaker up here too. An earpiece for taking calls and so on. That's nice. As I said, it will be very interesting to try this. You see, it's thicker than the iPhone Air, of course, and it is larger in size, like so. It has a more wide aspect ratio. I love that, because I will read books on this. So here we should select language. So let's select English. Or maybe we have Swedish. I think we have Swedish, because I have Swedish on other Bigme devices. There we go. We have Swedish. I think that is the button to click. And then we should read this, and I agree. Now we should connect to Wi-Fi and so on. So I think this will be it for now. I will pause this video and set this up, and then continue with the video after that with my first look and so on of the device itself. Okay, so now I've set it up, and it was quite easy to set everything up. Just log into your Google account and download all your apps from the Google Play Store that you need. And then just log in with your Google credential everywhere, and you have all the apps ready for you. And I must say that I really love this device so far. The first look of it is awesome. I think the display is great, even if it's much darker than a black and white display. I think this is white enough to be able to read. So for example, if I read in Reddit here, let's choose this. You see, yes, it's much darker than black and white ink, but I think this could be easily read in direct sunlight, with good light inside, without using front light. So I think that's really great. But of course you can use front light. I have done programming of one of these two buttons. You can program these buttons with 3 different features. So a double press here makes the front light on, and then I can raise the front light by doing this, as you see. And I can do warm or cold like this if I need to. Works great. So if I want a front light, I can use that, for example in the evening in the bed and so on. So double tap on that button, I can turn that off. Works great. So once again, I think this is amazing, and the refresh rates after updating this, you get one more refresh rate. So let's say if I need my glasses now, sorry. So let's say if I go into e-ink center here we can choose custom. Yes, this is in Swedish now, by the way, sorry for that, but custom. Then you can choose refresh modes here. We have HD 256, it's perfect for reading in Readest or co-reader, for example. We have Regal, also good for reading ebooks. Fast is what is default. Extreme is very, very fast. But Hyper is the new refresh rate, and that is, I think it is 47 frames per second. That's amazing, and that will work with YouTube and gaming and so on, such that I will do on this device, but it's good to have if you need that speed. I think fast, that is in default, is more than enough. So let's say I will browse some Google News here, and now I will just browse down here You see, this is more than enough for me to be able to read. Works great. So this is very, very good. So let's say if I want to go into this article, we can see, you see how good it is to be reading on this device. I really love it so far. So a first look, a first start, a first setup of this is amazing. And the fingerprint sensor works really good. I've only set it up with a thumb at the moment, but you can set it up with more fingers, of course. And the speaker is also quite good, by the way. So I think, all in all, I think this is in the top of my best of list at the moment. Top 3 at least. So I think this device and my X-Link X4 and maybe another is in top 3. So these devices, the Bigme Hibreak Pro Color is an amazing device so far. So it will be interesting to do a review of this. Now I will use this for a week or so before I do a review video, and I will do some comparison and so on with other devices, and also comparison with all my other Bigme e-readers, Bigme devices. So that will be very interesting. So subscribe to my channel and see all my coming videos about this device. It's amazing and it's beautiful, really fast, amazing. Okay, so go check the link down below where you can buy this from Bigme. Okay, bye.